Alex with Western Window Systems at JXN Station, Mountain View Window and Door in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm pushing aside our 600 series multi-slide door with a pocketing system, a pocketing opening, and we're going to completely conceal this door to remove it from any obstruction in this room. So we're actually dividing two conference rooms that we can make into one large room. If you've got a big group that you want to host, we can divide this into two rooms with, again, our satin edge glass to completely conceal any sort of, you've got transmittable light, but you're not going to be able to see your folks on the other side. So what I love about this is it completely removes the door from the opening, but also provides some great closure, whether it's to the exterior of your home, or again, dividing a conference room or something on the interior as well. So Devin, if you want to check out the track on this, I love this setup. Mountain View's selected to showcase our thin line sill here. So typically what you'd see is this would be buried into our floor, but what I love that they did is they've actually exposed to be able to see how this would operate. So what a great explanation of what this would look like if you were to bury this in the concrete of your home from the interior to the outside. You can also use this, which you'll see later, on a window application to lay tile or granite countertop in between each track. So what all will be exposed is the stainless steel track that these wheels will operate on. We'll pull one of these panels out.
So all of this, the caution tape is to caution, right? So we're using this as a demo purpose.
Yep.
But in a, we can show other Seat Gear Trust Advisor to see the finish, but the staggered track means it only when it's closed.
Correct.
It's only where it needs to be.
Absolutely. Yep. Yeah, we want to showcase this ideally in the finished setting. After construction is completed, you would have either carpet, tile, wood floors, whatever it might be, running right up against the barrier of this track, in between each stainless steel track, and then again on the exterior as well. So just a great opportunity to showcase this in a full, complete setting as well.
Awesome. So let's end this video by going back into the pocket, and then you can see where we left it to say, obviously this drywall would be tape and textured,
yep,
but to showcase how you have to build this all out. How do you know, beginning with the end in mind, how big the pocket, what's a resource to get all that figured out?
Yeah, we actually provide dimensions for your pocket before you're going to order the door to provide to your contractor, or if you are a builder, your order confirmation is going to have your pocket rough opening sizes, and we have installation instructions for a pocketing system to be able to explain how do I make this work, not blocking myself off from potentially installing this door with that pocketing system.
And how cool is it to have all these different real-world options? Absolutely. Being able to go to the fun digital, the marker board, but also we can do go-to meetings. We can lay this all out and see the real world. Come in and utilize Schoolology and Mountain View Window and Door and all the other moving parts to say, if you're a flooring company, if you're a drywaller,
absolutely,
there's tons of business and collaboration for the indoor-outdoor movement, right?
Right.
Pretty neat to have this all put together in an experience center.
Absolutely. Yeah, what a great setting, because construction doesn't just include one person, a handful of people. There's a lot of folks involved. So this is a great place to really marry all of that together with, like Devin said, every trade that's going to be involved with this. The trusted advisor is going to be able to make that connection and really be able to explain how this works and how it benefits you as a construction industry professional. This is a great spot to do that.
Awesome. Well, thanks for providing all this product and being part of JXN Station. It's pretty awesome as I do a 360 view of just moving glass, open, close, everywhere. See all the specific videos from this pocketing to the bifolds. We're going to have all kinds of specialized videos for those details, but in closing, what's the model number and what is this door, and let's close it up.
Absolutely. This is a classic line 600 series multi-slide door, and it's a pocketing system with a thin line track. So a little bit different than most people are used to with that name. Thin line is non-flush. Thin line is going to completely be enclosed by the floor.
And again, that satin etched glass, and now you have light coming through and a neat, fun space to be in, but a marker board on both sides if you have two separate meetings going on, right?
Right. Yeah, great light transmission, so we're not darkening the room. It still feels light and open and airy, but we do completely conceal what's going on the other side. So we're fully focused, but we're having a lot of fun in here So it's a great opportunity to use that special glass.
Awesome. Meet us at the junction, right?
All right, meet us out here.